So for the liquid for our rice, we're gonna use unsweetened coconut milk. It doesn't matter what brand you use. And water. So I'm making 1.5 cups of rice and I need 3 cups of liquid. So 3 cups in total. So I'm gonna add water to my coconut milk, okay? I'm gonna use brown basmati rice for this recipe. So I'm gonna heat a little bit of oil. I'm using avocado oil. I'm going to add my 1.5 cups of very well washed rice and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. We're going to cook this for a few minutes. A couple minutes is fine. We're gonna cook up the spice and dry up the rice, okay? I'm gonna add the liquid. Beautiful color. And we'll season with salt and pepper. All right guys, I'm gonna bring this to a boil. I'm gonna cover it and then I'm going to reduce the heat to the lowest setting and I'm gonna let this cook a very, very low heat for 25 to 30 minutes. This is brown rice. It takes a little longer than white. So what I'm gonna do is check it at 25 and if it needs to continue cooking, then I will let it cook the extra 5 minutes, okay? I'll see you when it's cooked. All right, let's check this out. This has been cooking for a good 35 minutes, guys. My rice took a little longer than I thought. Yours might not, okay? Fantastic. I'm gonna cover it and let it sit for another 10 minutes. All right, now we're ready to serve this. Oh, it's nice. I'm gonna sprinkle this with chopped cilantro. This rice is nice and moist, super flavorful. That is good stuff, guys. That is really, really flavorful. Oh, I love it. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna see you soon.